There are reasonable grounds to believe that William Samoei Ruto is criminally responsible, forcible transfer of population, constituting a crime against humanity within the meaning of Article 7(1)(d). There are reasonable grounds to believe.
Tulikimbia hapa, katorokea hapa, na watu yote wakaja kutorokea wapi? Hapa. Sasa ile hiyo watu walikuja, na bila waliaja kukimbisa watu, tulisunguka hapa sana, tunakosa bali ya kutokea, mpaka hapa tukawawashia hapa, tukatoroka.
An innocent person like me to be dragged all the way here, really, is a matter that baffles me.
There are reasonable grounds to believe that William Samoei Ruto is criminally responsible, forcible transfer of population, constituting a crime against humanity within the meaning of Article 7(1)(d). There are reasonable grounds to believe.
Kwa majina naitwa James Njoro. Mimi ni mkaaji wa Kiambaa. Okay, on 31st kulikuwa yani tension ilikuwa imepanda, so watu walikuwa on high alert. Kukasemekana wamama na watoto watoke hapo waende kwa kanisa wakakae huko. After a few minutes kanisa ilikuwa imezingirwa na the invaders. Hawakuja wakachukua mattress zilikuwa zimewekwa around kanisa, wakaanza kuzipile kwa kanisa. Then that's when moto iliasha on one side of kanisa, which was the main entrance. So a few of us ni wenye tulitokea kwa dirisha tukipotea kutoka hapo hivyo kwa kanisa. My mother and my brother walikuwa ndani ya kanisa, and walikuwa ni among the victims that walikufa.
All along we came talking about peace and reconciliation, but still it occurred in 2007. They burnt our stores, they burnt our houses, and now that's how we were evicted. Me, I never came back. In fact, I called my wife on my phone. We had harvested, so I told her to leave the animals in the farm. We never came back to see them again. Up to now, we don't know where they went. So we went to the DO's office. That was the most difficult time we have ever had in our lives. And so the whole of Eldoret Showground, which is about 20 acres, was full of nothing else but tents. When I came here the first time, I could not know where my home was. This place I had fenced, there were trees all over, I had a borehole there and a permanent toilet. All of them were brought down. In fact, the only thing that remained here was the borehole. It was like, I don't know where I lived at one time or the other. It was such a traumatizing issue. This thing happened and nobody was held responsible. Nobody. So it will be a mistake if you will carry those feelings you had. But otherwise, I think there is an element of cohesion as far as we have reached now, which may be compromised by the political outcomes any time. Can you imagine when I came back here, I found Mama's utensils in somebody's house, but I had just to ignore. In fact, when I came to dig here the first time and I requested somebody to give me a djembe, I was brought that one of mine. I did what I wanted to do and I gave them back their djembe. That's not the only thing. Many things happen. You go into somebody's house, you find something that was very precious for you is there. But then forget it so that you can be able to move ahead.
In terms of justice, hakuna justice imefanyika, because unajua sawa wakasema ni mambo na justice, ni hao watu wenye walikuwa wamekuja kuchoma, by that time ndio wangekuwa dealt with. But si hao waseo bado wako mtaani. Ukipatana nao ukitembea tu unaona by then nilimuona, but hakuna haja tena kurudi ile. Unajua the more you dig in, the more tena things will go bad.